Cloud network security is a broad term that refers to the measures and strategies used to protect data, applications, and services that are hosted in the cloud from various threats. As more businesses move their operations to the cloud, securing these environments has become a critical concern. Let's break down the key concepts associated with cloud network security in a detailed yet simple manner. Understanding the basics of cloud network security. Cloud environment. This refers to the IT infrastructure and services that are hosted remotely and accessed over the internet. It includes resources like servers, storage, databases, networking, and software. Network security. This involves practices designed to protect the integrity, confidentiality, and availability of data and resources as they are transmitted across or connected to networks. Cloud network security. Specifically, it focuses on securing the network components within a cloud environment. It ensures that data moving in and out of the cloud, as well as within it, is protected from unauthorized access, attacks, and breaches. 2. Types of cloud environments. Understanding the different types of cloud environments is crucial, as security strategies can vary depending on the model. Public cloud. Services offered by third-party providers like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud. Security here involves both the provider and the user. Private cloud. Cloud infrastructure used exclusively by one organization. Security is managed internally, often with higher control and customization. Hybrid cloud. A combination of public and private clouds. Security in a hybrid environment involves ensuring data and applications can move securely between the different clouds. Multi-cloud, using services from multiple cloud providers. Security here focuses on consistency and coordination across different platforms. 3. Key components of cloud network security. Data encryption, ensuring that data is encrypted both in transit when moving between networks and at rest when stored on cloud servers. Encryption converts data into a coded format, unreadable without a decryption key. Identity and access management, IAM, a framework that ensures only authorized users can access certain resources. IAM involves user authentication, verifying the identity of a user, typically using passwords, biometrics, or multi-factor authentication, MFA. Access control, granting or denying user access to resources based on their identity. Firewalls. These are security systems that monitor and control incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. In the cloud, there are network firewalls, protect entire networks. Web application firewalls, WAFs, specifically protect web applications from threats like SQL injection cross-site scripting, XSS. Intrusion detection and prevention systems, IDPS, tools that monitor network traffic for suspicious activities and take action to block or mitigate these threats. Virtual Private Cloud, VPC, a private cloud environment within a public cloud. A VPC provides enhanced security by isolating the resources of an organization within a cloud provider's infrastructure. Security groups and network access control lists, NALs. Security groups act as virtual firewalls to control inbound and outbound traffic for cloud instances. NALs provide an additional layer of security at the subnet level, controlling traffic to and from one or more subnets. How to 4. Security responsibilities in cloud models. Security in the cloud follows a shared responsibility model where both the cloud provider and the customer have roles to play. Cloud provider's responsibility, infrastructure security, securing the physical data centers, hardware, and cloud infrastructure. Network controls, implementing foundational security measures like firewalls, load balancing, and network segmentation. Compliance, ensuring that the cloud environment meets industry regulations and standards. Customer's responsibility, data security, encrypting sensitive data and managing data lifecycle policies. Identity and access management, configuring and managing user permissions and access controls. Application security, ensuring that applications deployed in the cloud are secure and free from vulnerabilities. 5. Threats to cloud network security. Data breaches, unauthorized access to sensitive data stored in the cloud, often due to weak access controls or vulnerabilities in the system. DDoS attacks. Distributed denial of service attacks overwhelm cloud services with traffic, causing disruption. Insider threats. employees or contractors with malicious intent or who make mistakes that lead to data breaches or security incidents. Account hijacking. Attackers gain access to cloud accounts, often through phishing or weak passwords, and misuse the resources. Insecure APIs. Poorly secured application programming interfaces, APIs that are exposed to the internet, can be exploited by attackers to gain unauthorized access. 6 best practices for cloud network security. Zero trust model. Assume that every entity inside or outside the network is a potential threat. This model enforces strict verification for every person and device trying to access resources. Regular audits and monitoring. Continuously monitor the cloud environment for unusual activity and regularly audit security practices to ensure compliance with security policies. Security automation. Use tools to automate security tasks like patch management, threat detection, and response to reduce human error and increase efficiency. Data backup and recovery. Regularly backup data and test recovery processes to ensure that data can be restored quickly in case of an incident. Training and awareness. Ensure that all employees understand the importance of cloud security and are trained on best practices, especially regarding phishing, password management, and secure use of cloud services. Hazure 7. Compliance and legal considerations. Regulatory compliance. Cloud environments must comply with various regulations depending on the industry, e.g., GDPR for data protection in Europe, HIPAA for healthcare in the US. Ensuring compliance involves securing data, maintaining logs, and sometimes even data residency requirements. Service level agreements, SLAs. These are contracts between the cloud provider and customer that outline the level of service, including security measures, uptime guarantees, and responsibilities in case of a security breach. 8. Future trends in cloud network security, AI and machine learning. These technologies are being increasingly used to predict and detect threats in cloud environments, allowing for quicker and more effective responses. Quantum computing. As quantum computing evolves, it poses both opportunities and challenges for cloud security, especially concerning encryption. Edge computing. With more data being processed closer to the source, edge devices, securing these distributed networks will become more important. Enhanced encryption techniques. New encryption methods, such as homomorphic encryption, allow data to be processed without being decrypted, offering greater security in cloud environments. Hammer 9. Challenges in cloud network security. Complexity. Managing security in multi-cloud and hybrid environments can be complex, requiring coordination across different platforms and security policies. Visibility. Cloud environments are often less visible than traditional on-premises networks, making it harder to monitor and secure all activities. Compliance. Keeping up with regulatory requirements across different regions and industries can be challenging, especially in global operations. Cost. Implementing comprehensive security measures can be expensive, and balancing cost with security needs is a constant challenge. Conclusion. Cloud network security is a dynamic and complex field, essential for protecting data, applications, and infrastructure in today's digital world. By understanding the various components, threats, and best practices, organizations can better secure their cloud environments and ensure that they meet both their security needs and regulatory obligations.